designed to provide efficient cooling in dry climates. This sexy new 10-liter evaporative cooler replaces our older model. The new 10-liter model features a stylish slim shape and wheels, making it easy to roll around your house from room to room. So, how does it work? Unlike portable air conditioners that remove hot air and humidity from your room or house, evaporative coolers are more just fans on steroids. They are filled with water. Ice or icy water is best. And then blow the evaporating water into the atmosphere, or if you prefer, straight into your face. Now, you don't need to be a hydrologist to understand that evaporative coolers work best in a dry climate and are a bit useless if you are trying to reduce humidity. There is no assembly required with this cooler, just plug it in and add water. Warning: water and electricity do not mix, so close supervision is necessary when the appliance is used by or near children. Do not let the cord hang over the edge